This is a tutorial to install CG library like freeglut, which include gl/glgt files in it to install in Windows. Okay. First thing you have to do, you have to check whether you have Git or not. For that, go in your start, write Git. If you see Git as here or here anywhere, this means that you have Git installed. If you don't have it, go install it. So install the Git. We have to go in your browser, search Git install. Git is different, GitHub is different. So click on the first link, download for Windows, 64-bit Git for Windows setup. Install that, download it, go through the installation process, install it. Once done, what we have to do is to create a new folder. Either we can create a new folder here and do the installation here, but the problem with this is that it can be deleted easily. Like you can delete it, right? Anyone can come and delete this file. We won't want that. So for the safe side, go in your browser, this PC, or C drive or some safe place you think it's safe. Then create a new folder here. Give whatever name you want, it's okay. Just don't put space between the names, like CG lib. Don't put space. Instead of this, you can do CG lib. Open. Now, right click, show mode option, open git.h here. Now it's up here. Now we need to give the command to download the VC package file. For that, go in your browser, write VC package. Now we'll show you the basics. vcpackage.bat. Just write VC package. Click on this one, get started one. Okay, now here you have all the steps required. So copy the first command. This will clone the VC package repository from GitHub to your file, to your local system. Paste, cloning. It will take hardly 3 to 5 minutes depending on the net speed you have. See, it's done now. So once done, what you have to do is that you have to copy this path. So click here, Control C for copy. Now go here, and you have to open Windows PowerShell. Search Windows PowerShell, it will come here. Open. Once open, write command cd stands for change directory, and paste. Enter. Now you are in this file. Whatever you are in this, the folder you created inside it. Okay. Now we have to install the VC package we downloaded. For that, we have this. Step 2, copy this, Control C, and PowerShell, paste, enter. This will install. Okay, done. Now we have this option, VC package integrate install. What this will do, that this will make this will include this file in your libraries, in your common libraries where the system uses. Okay. For that also, we have to go inside this folder. Earlier we are in here, we have to go in this folder. For that we need again cd vcpkg. Now we are inside this folder. Now we need to do the VC package integrate install. So the command we copied, we have to paste it here, and to put // here, enter. Done. Since I already installed VC package and done this process, it's just easy thing for me. It's done. But if you are doing it for the first time, you will get a prompt. You have to allow that prompt, and you might get an error once. If you will get that error, again run this same command, this one, and it will install. Now the installation of VC package is complete. Now we have to do what? That we have to install freeglut library. Okay, for that we need to give command this VC package install freeglut Windows x64. Copy this command. I will share this command to you on terminal only. You have to paste it. Go back, / this one, and this will download the GitHub repo of freeglut. Okay, and install it. It will download all the required files also to run the library. Okay, once this is done, once this whole thing is done, to see whether it's done or not, it will take some time to install. Okay, let it happen. Once it's done, you have your VC package library installed, your freeglut library installed in it. Now I think you can run your CG project. So for that, to check whether you have that project or not, open VS Studio, open any random file, and try to include this library gs/glib.h. If it doesn't show any error, that means that you have your CG library installed. Now you can easily run your project, CG project in here, and it will work fine. That's it.